Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. Do you want thick and long eyelashes and eyebrows? Are you worried about your thinning eyebrows and falling eyelashes? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you my grandma's century-old remedy that is 100% natural and super effective. Falling eyelashes and thinning eyebrows will be a long-forgotten story if you follow this routine daily. You will be amazed to see extremely thick and long eyelashes and eyebrows. Are you ready? Before we go ahead, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Alright, let's not waste more time. Let's start with a remedy. Ingredients that you will need are 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, 1 capsule of vitamin E, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, and a few drops of coconut water. Take a clean container and then all these ingredients, add them and mix them properly. Now your serum is ready to use. First thing you need to do every day before bed is to either wash your face properly and clean your eyelashes and eyebrows. Or you can use wipes to clean your eyebrows and eyelashes properly. This will remove any kind of makeup, dust, and bacteria. Next, take a clean toothbrush and start brushing your eyebrows for at least 1 minute. This brushing action will increase the flow of blood to the roots and result in increasing the hair growth. Your eyebrows are now ready for the application of the serum. Apply the serum to your eyebrows nicely so that they are properly covered. Start brushing your eyebrows again with a toothbrush, but just for 10 seconds this time. Apply the serum to your eyelashes with your fingertips. Leave this serum overnight on your eyebrows and eyelashes. In the morning, simply wash your face and clean your eyebrows and eyelashes. Do this routine every day for at least 2 weeks. You will notice the difference day by day, and I promise you, you will see the thickness and growth in the coming days. You can keep this serum in the container for about 1 month at room temperature. This routine is 100% effective and natural. You can continue using this routine until you achieve the length and thickness of your choice. So I hope you liked my grandma's remedy. If you did, please like this video and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.